Technology has been advancing at such an incredible pace lately that it has been hard to keep track of the myriad advances in AI. From AI denoise and upscale tools through to amazing generative art systems such as Midjourney, seemingly every week there is a new awe-inspiring metamorphosis in digital image manipulation and creation. And now, I am pleased to be the very first YouTuber to introduce you to Bifkin Softworks' mind-blowing new plugin for Photoshop. The all-new Blend Overlay Local Layer Object Customized Kernel solution is the very first to offer total image replacement. So grab a coffee, pull up a chair, and allow me to be the very first person to show you my bollocks. Being such a hyper-successful YouTuber, I'm often approached by companies to review their products in sponsored videos. DJI, Adobe, Apple, and Samsung are just four of the hugely successful multinational corporations who've never approached me, but I am delighted to join forces with a company working at the very bleeding edge of AI. Bifkin Softworks asked me to assess their brand new bollocks plugin for Photoshop, and I leapt at the chance. When Jim Shrapnel, the lead engineer on this groundbreaking new project, first explained the technology behind bollocks, I was highly dubious. But after testing the plugin extensively for the last 22 minutes, I must admit that I am blown away by the Blend Overlay Local Layer Object Customized Kernel solution. The plugin was trained on image data lifted from several million compromised computers, and as such, it's far better at handling real-world images than competing systems, particularly so for unsolicited dick pics and cats. Bifkin Softworks used neural networks to identify the patterns and structures within the existing data on the compromised machines in order to generate new and original content. I've got some test images that I ran through the plugin, and I think you'll all be blown away by the results. In the first case, an image of a car, the AI plugin had its work cut out for it. However, after just a single generative pass, it transformed the car image into one of some leafy ferns. Genius. The second example proved to be more testing. When faced with this shot of a cityscape at night, it took 2 generations to produce this brand new image of a pair of headphones. The plugin can, of course, be pushed in specific directions in order to achieve specific outcomes. In this case, the plugin used a technique called rolling JK spectroscopic demosaic subbase continuums to change the gender of the test subject. The results, I think, speak for themselves as we go from this image to this one, all at the click of a button. The uses for bollocks are virtually limitless. For instance, we can use it to instantly age a person. We went from this shot to this with just a single pass from the bollocks algorithm. Landscape photographers living in unscenic locations will find that this plugin transforms their work. They will no longer be restricted to taking scenic imagery while on holiday and can now simply rescale their images. By way of example, here's an image of an ugly urban housing estate. Running this image through bollocks transforms the image into this. I'm sure we can all agree that it's a vast improvement. Not only will this technology vastly improve the output of photographers located in boring locations, but it will reduce greenhouse emissions as they will not actually have to travel anywhere to take these amazing photographs. The coding team at Bifkin are promising rapid improvements to their plugin over the coming months, with new predictive algorithms offering our first glimpses into the actual future. I can also exclusively reveal that the company's team of coding engineers are already working on deploying the same bollocks algorithm for video content as well. Their aim is to let the public transform boring holiday videos of uninspiring locations into more aesthetic environments. They also say that it works wonders on sex tapes, rescaling depressingly overweight and balding men into ripped gods, obliterating bingo wings, and giving women the curvaceous figures their partners have always dreamed of. The plugin is in closed beta testing at the moment, but the company do have a waiting list on their website. So if you're interested in playing with bollocks, you can sign up starting from today. I'll include a QR code to take you to the company website at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more cutting edge content from me as we all embrace the incredible possibilities that AI is bringing to us. Now, here's that QR code I promised you. Till the next time, guys. Ta-ta.